To withdraw from Atomic Wallet, follow these steps. First, open the Atomic Wallet application on your device and log in to your account using your password and seed phrase. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section where you can view your available balance. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on the Send button. Enter the recipient's wallet address in the address field, making sure to double-check for accuracy. You can also scan a QR code if the recipient has one. In the Amount field, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You can choose to send the entire balance or a specific amount. Be aware of the minimum withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. Before confirming the transaction, review the details, including the recipient's address, amount, and fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. This may take a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. It is essential to note that Atomic Wallet charges a small fee for withdrawals, which is used to cover the cost of transaction processing. Additionally, be cautious when sharing your wallet address or seed phrase, as this information can be used to access your account. To ensure the security of your funds, always use two-factor authentication and keep your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. It is also recommended to regularly update your wallet software to protect against any potential vulnerabilities. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely withdraw your cryptocurrency from Atomic Wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and be mindful of the fees associated with transactions. With Atomic Wallet, you can easily manage your cryptocurrency portfolio and make withdrawals with confidence.